Exercises and workouts, how to get more from your treadmill training. If you are someone who is interested in getting fit and improving your heart health, walking, jogging, or running might be a natural choice for you. Many people find one of these to be a perfect way to help improve their health, and they go on to do so, seeing great results. But, if you are currently using your treadmill and not seeing ideal results, you need to ask yourself, why is this? What could be preventing you from seeing the success you desire? The answer is often a few simple things. By following these tips, you can ensure you get more from your treadmill training and go on to see the best results possible. Tip number 1. Use the Incline Feature. Many people are using treadmills but are neglecting to use the Incline Feature, and this is one of the worst things you could do. The Incline Feature can dramatically transform your workout, allowing you to burn more calories, improve your cardio conditioning, and strengthen your muscles all at the same time. It is a must-use if you are working out on a treadmill. The best thing about the Incline Feature is it can give you a similar workout intensity as running but without the harmful impact on your joints. The result? You feel better after each workout. Tip number 2. Hands off those rails. How many times have you seen someone going along on the treadmill while leaning on the rails? Too many times to count. Leaning on the rails is something you must avoid. While you can use them for support, realize this is going to take away from how hard your lower body has to work. If you want to optimize your results, keep your hands away from the handlebars at all times. If you are struggling to keep your balance, consider you may be exercising at a pace too hard for your body's abilities. Tip number 3. Utilize intervals to the best of your abilities. Another smart move? Interval training. Don't let the name scare you. Many people think interval training has to mean ultra-intense exercise that nearly knocks the wind out of you. And in some cases, this is what it means, but it doesn't have to. You can do interval training simply alternating harder bouts of exercise with easier ones as your body becomes used to the intense pace. If you exercise this way, you will slowly see your fitness level increase, and soon you will be able to exercise at a higher intensity level at all times. Tip number 4. Track your results. Finally, do not forget to track your progress. This is the most critical part because it will show you which techniques are working for your body and which ones are leaving you struggling to see the results you desire. Keeping tabs on your workouts takes a bit of effort, but it is well worth the time you put in. If you keep all the above in mind, you should have no problem seeing the success you desire. Visit the link in the description. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.